Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California. Welcome to Rides and Racks. We just received our Wilwod four-wheel disc brakes for our 1964 Elcamino. Elcamino's on its way. We want to do a little open box preview. Make sure it's the correct stuff before the customer gets here, or we'll call them up, turn them back around. But I'm pretty sure we buy our stuff from Pirate Jack's, and they always get it right the first time. So let's take a look at what we got here. We're supposed to have front wheels, rear wheels, emergency brake cables here. Let's just take a look real quick. What we got right here, instructions. I love the instructions. They're always on top. I never have to fumble through them. Other companies, they pack them all in a box and you got to open every single one. Crazy. Yeah, Wilwod, they got it dialed up right out of the gate. This looks like it's going to be our rear brake setup. Get rid of this stuff. We got our conversion plates for our axles. We got some hardware. We have brake shoes, calipers, and some rotors in the bottom. Let's just check these calipers, make sure that they're red. Yep. And our red calipers. That looks pretty good for the front, the rear. Put all that back in there. Let's see what we have in this box. Maybe they sent us two rears, maybe they didn't, maybe they got it right. Let's check it out. Again, instructions on top, gotta love it. This is definitely our front. There's our hubs, our spacers for our rims if we're required, and our disc brake brackets, our brake pads, and let's just check a caliper, make sure it's the correct color. Oh yeah, check it out, nice. We usually order up the kits to include the emergency brakes for the rear, the cables. Let's just see what we have in here. Ooh, did-a-doo, boop. Awesome, awesome. There we go. Here's our brake hoses, and what's in here? Our emergency brake setup and instructions. Awesome. Let's get started. And that friggin' train in the background is driving me nuts.